Hello guys, today we are unlocking Redmi 14C via server. You just need connect your phone to the PC in Mi Assistant mode and wait for my help. How to enter Mi Assistant? Power the phone, hold the volume up and power buttons. When you see Me Recovery, release the buttons and select Connect with Mi Assistant and connect your phone to the PC.